Why do business with All Marketing? At All Marketing, you are partnering with a serious operator that has a versatile service offering: website management, development and content creation, photography in the field or on site with you and your staff, natural or staged, video production to help scale your sales message, proactive management that comes to you with solutions before problems happen, a growth mindset that is never satisfied with the status quo and always wants to keep pushing in the growth zone. I've been trading since 2013 when I started the Foodie Hub, and All Marketing has been a GST registered business for over 5 years now. I am accessible and responsible, and above all else, accountable for my actions. Since launching All Marketing in August 2015, there has been a steady and stable portfolio of clients that intentionally never grew too fast, as I will continue to service accounts at a rate second to none in Perth. Technical concepts are explained simply in a language you can understand. With a background in accounting and finance, financial literacy is a strength, and with a passion for data and statistics, I can talk P&L and balance sheets with you all day and categorically quantify the revenue and value brought into your business. So what are you waiting for? Contact me now and let's get started. It could be the best decision you ever make.